boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar and to Wish Wednesday. We have Wish Wednesday here, and we have an artist here, one of the more requested here for Wish Wednesdays, Skele, and the song called I Still Care, But I Know That I Shouldn't. Okay, so the one who wished for this was at least you, Vargas. I think a couple other people as well, but you wished for this, Vargas, so this one is special for you. And for all you Skele fans, like I said, many of you like their songs there. So we're gonna look at this one. We have kind of 4 chords, 3 or 4. It's yeah, almost 3 chords only. You can say, you're gonna understand what I mean. And that goes through entire song in the same order, so that is great. Very easy to handle them as well. So let's start. No need for any cape on this one, and we will go over the chords first. So the first chord will be E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be an F sharp, what it's called add 11. It's a little bit different from the F sharp chord. So what you need first is a bar here on the 2nd fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on G. Okay, and then we have the standard F sharp chord, and what you do, you just add the 4th fret on the A string. Everything else is the same from this F sharp add 11 chord. So that gives us a bar still here, of course, on the 2nd fret over all strings, and the rest will be now 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Okay, so that's the F sharp chord. And then finally we have the G sharp minor 7. So you move up the bar here to the 4th fret across all strings, and the rest will be just 6 on the A string. 6th fret A string, and that is your G sharp chord. Alright, so that is the chord progression. E to this F sharp add chord, and then standard F sharp, and then the G sharp. So first we're gonna look at this very simple melody. Goes like this. Alright, so the E based notes, we're gonna play 3 notes per chord. So the E will be open E, 2nd A, and 4th D. And we have pauses there between all these chords. So that's the first one, the E. The next is add 11 chord, F sharp. You just put a short little bar there over the 2nd fret on the bass strings there, the E, A, and D if you wish. And then you just add the 4th fret D string. That's the grip. So that will be these 3 notes, 2nd on E, 2nd on A, and 4th D. Then we go to the standard F sharp chord, and you can keep the bar there and we just recuperate your fingers a little bit here. So that will be the 2nd fret E string, and now 4th fret A string, and 4th fret D string. And then you slide with your little bar there from the 2nd fret up to the 4th fret and put the bar there, and you just add this 6th fret A string and play the 3 notes. 4th on E, 6th on A, and 4th on D. And that is the melody. So, like this. E, F sharp add, standard F sharp, and G sharp. Yeah, that's the start there and a big part of the song. And then you can also combine this with a strumming pattern. So we'll look at that now. That's the last thing we're gonna do. So this strumming will be over 2 chords, you can say. So think pair of chords. So E and F sharp will pair up together, and the F sharp to the G sharp will pair up together. So we will look at the first part, which is played for the E chord, and this is played like down, down, up, clap. Okay, so like this. Very easy. Down, down, up, clap. And then you quick change to the next chord, in this case, the F sharp add chord. And there you're gonna play down, and then down, up, clap, down, up. So. So you play down, and then a short break, and then down, up, clap, down, up. So together, slowly be like this. And the same goes for the F sharp to the G sharp. So the F sharp will be played in the same way as E. So down, down, up, clap. And then you quickly change to the G sharp and play part 2 in the same way as you play the add 11 chord. And that will keep on and on through the entire song. If you wish, you can go the melody, these notes, or the strumming. So the strumming now, a round, full round out of this chord progression will sound like this. A little bit slower. So on. Yeah, so that's an example of how you can handle the song Skele's I Still Care, but I know that I shouldn't. So hope you enjoyed this, Vargos, and all you guys who like Skele and their songs. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this time. I like to think that you enjoy this Wish Wednesday ingredients here on Gordon Guitar, and if you do, please thumb up this one and perhaps leave a comment for future wishes. And I, like I said before, or yeah, I had said before, I read everything, so yeah, just come with your wishes and we'll see what we can do about it. So till next time, guys, hope to see you soon, and play tuned.